Okay, good morning, students. In this video, we study two more questions of combining relation. Combining relation. Okay. So suppose that we are given a set 1, 2, 3, and R1 is the relation. Relation is given like this: 1, comma 1, 2, comma 2, 3, comma 3, and R2 is the relation given like this: 1, comma 1, 1, comma 2, 1, comma 3, 1 comma 4. Okay, so first of all we want to find R1 union R. So how to find it? Just combine these two sets: 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 1 2, 1 3, and 1 4. Okay, then second one is R1 intersection R2. So in intersection you just write the common element. It is just 1 1. Okay, in R1 minus R2 we just write the element of R1 only. Okay, but we leave the common element of R1 and R2. Okay, so what are the elements of R1 and R2? Leaving the common element, only this element and this element comes in R1 only. Okay, so 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. Then fourth one is R2 minus R1. Okay, so write the elements of R2 only, but leave the common element of R1 and R2. Okay, so 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, and 1 comma 4. Okay, so in this way you can combine these two relations. Okay, now next question is that if R is a relation from 1 2 3 to 1 2 3 4 with R is equal to 1 1, 1 4, 2 3, 3 1, 3 4. Okay, and S is the relation from 1 2 3 4 to 0 1 2. Okay, with S, in S you have element like 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, and 4 comma 1. Okay, so we want to find SOR. Okay, so solution, I told it in the uh, LPU live that you please ignore the second example. Okay, because that example is wrongly solved. So the correct solution for finding SOR is this, that you start from this R. Okay, not from S. You start from this R. In the previous video I told start from S, but not, start from this side R. Okay, so write the elements of relation R. Here in R, 1 goes to 1. Okay, 1 goes to 1, 1 goes to 4. Okay, then 1 2 goes to 3, then 3 goes to 1, 3 goes to 4. Okay, and in S you see that what is happening: 1 goes to 2, 1 goes to 0, sorry, and 2 goes to 0, 3 goes to 1. Okay, 3 goes to 2, and then we have 4 goes to 1. Now you see that 1 maps to 1. Here we have 1. Okay, but 1 goes to 0. Okay, so you see that ultimately 1 goes to 0. Okay, so in SOR we have first element 1 goes to 0. Now you see that 1 goes to 4. Okay, but here in this S set we have here 4. Here 4 goes to 1, so ultimately 1 goes to 1. Okay, so 1 goes to 1. Next is 2 goes to 3, but here we have two threes. Okay, one here and one here, so take them one by one. 2 goes to 3 and then 3 goes to 1, so ultimately 2 goes to 1 here. Okay, 2 goes to 1 here, then again 2 goes to 3, but 3 goes to 2, so ultimately 2 goes to 2. Okay, ultimately 2 goes to 2. Now what is the next element? 3 goes to 1 and 1 goes to 0. Okay, It means that 3 goes to 0. Okay, 3 goes to 4 and 4 goes to 1. It means that 3 goes to 1. So this is the correct solution of finding SOR. Okay, you please ignore the second example of the previous video. Okay, so thank you very much, students.